Are you looking for the best air fryers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best air fryers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the NuWave Brio 15.5 quart air fryer oven plus grill. This machine is vastly smaller than the others on the list. It also comes with everything you would need to cook, roast, grill, and baked foods. The machine does come at a reasonable price and a 1-year warranty, but it is one of the smallest air fryers on the list, making it perfect for people that don't have a lot of space in the kitchen. The oven capacity is only 15 quarts, which does seem very small when compared to all the others on the list, but it does have a couple of features that make it a formidable option. Inside the oven, there are several spaces to place multiple racks. The NuWave comes with 4 separate racks but cannot be filled in large amounts. The NuWave oven comes with a temperature probe that allows you to gauge how hot the inside of your meats are while they are cooking. All you need to do is place the meat probe thermometer inside the protein, place the meat in the air fryer and choose from one of the 100 different pre-programmed presets the machine has. The meat probe thermometer takes readings from the protein as it cooks and relays it back to the air fryer. Once the protein has reached the desired inner temperature, the air fryer will automatically shut off and alert the consumer that dinner is ready. This is a really cool addition that usually comes in handy with grills and smokers. It will take a lot of worries off of your plate and let the machine do all the work for you. Moving on at number 4, we have the COSORI air fryer oven. The COSORI is one of the larger air fryers on the list. Other air fryers may be able to roast or rotisserie a whole chicken. However, the COSORI can do the same but with twice the size of the chicken. It has 12 presets that will help you to cook any number of dishes with just the click of a button. This will really cut out the guessing work when you don't know how long or how hot to cook something. It also comes with plenty of accessories to help you cook, bake, fry or rotisserie with ease. The COSORI is very reasonably priced and comes protected by a 1-year warranty as well. Since it has the largest size dimensions on the list, make sure to clear off some counter space because it will need a lot of room. One of the main reasons this product is better is the actual size of the machine. It has a much larger capacity than the Omni Plus or the Emeril but is similar in size to the Kalorik. However, when compared to the Kalorik, the COSORI has a longer depth. This means it will be able to handle some things that may be a tad bit bigger. For instance, most large pizzas are about 12 inches in size, but sometimes they can run a bit bigger, especially if you are making them from scratch yourself. The COSORI can cook a 13-inch pizza to perfection every time. At number 3, we have the Kalorik 26QT Digital Maxx Air Fryer Oven. This behemoth of an air fryer is really great if you want to cook more than one item at a time. This model will be able to handle a protein plus a side or two at the same time. The Kalorik Digital Air Fryer Oven has a 26-quart capacity oven which is larger than any other model on this list. It will be able to tackle the largest proteins such as a Thanksgiving turkey. It has a set of French double doors that open from side to side, which is also different than the other models on the list. You should have no problem placing food in the air fryer or retrieving it. It will still be able to cook French fries, use the rotisserie for whole chickens, or toast as much bread as your heart desires. It has a powerful 1700 watts that allow it to reach temperatures of 500 degrees, which is perfect for creating the sear on all your proteins. It is also able to reach lower temperatures for dehydrating meats and veggies. At number 2, we have the Instant Omni Plus 11-in-1 Toaster Oven. The Instant Omni sits at a very close second place in our rankings. Both of these air fryers have a lot of the same features and presets. They cost close to the same price, after a recent price reduction for the Omni. Aside from that, the Omni Plus does excel in some areas that may make you want to buy it instead. The Omni is still able to cook everything you would normally cook in your oven at home and in about half the time. If you are a pizza lover, then get ready to cook a large pizza in about 5 minutes from a fully frozen state. Your oven at home usually does that in about 20 minutes. The Omni works well to cook all sorts of fried goodies as well as whole meals in a matter of minutes. The sleek stainless steel look of the machine really does pop on the kitchen countertop. Both air fryers have the same number of heating elements, but the Omni Plus has a higher wattage output of 300 extra watts. This means it is more powerful and will be able to reach higher temperatures faster and while maintaining them for longer. The Instant Omni Plus can reach temperatures of 500 degrees while the Emeril Power Air Fryer will only go up to 450 degrees. The Omni Plus Air Fryer also has a longer timer which goes up to 12 hours. Normally, you will not need to cook food for this long, but it is nice to have the option. No, seriously, the reason for that timer length is dehydrating meats and veggies. And finally at number 1, we have the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360. The Emeril 360 Air Fryer Oven is our number 1 best air fryer with rotisserie right now. It's affordable, with plenty of internal space, multiple rack positions, and all the accessories you need for common cooking tasks, so you're not constantly heading back to Amazon for another part for each new recipe. Emeril designed and crafted this machine himself and really thought of everything when it came to cooking popular foods. It has everything I would ever want in a tabletop convection oven, and it really did look great in the kitchen. It has a fairly large inner capacity of 930 cubic inches, just under a cubic foot, which makes it great for cooking or roasting anything large. You can even fit a small, whole turkey in there. Even though it's not the biggest air fryer oven on our list, it was big enough to tackle some pretty tough tasks. Properly trussed, we could cook a 4-pound roast chicken in it, and it tasted great. It fit nicely under the overhead cabinets, which was nice since some of the other models like the Kalorik 26QT Digital Maxx Air Fryer Oven or the COSORI Air Fryer Oven were too tall to fit. The air fryer oven uses several heating elements, rather than just one, that create cyclonic air for 360 degrees circulation, making it perfect to air fry, rotisserie and dehydrate. It is equipped with 9 different cooking functions such as roasting, toasting, baking, slow cooking, and broiling, as well as 12 different presets that are programmed into the machine which automatically set the time and temperature for different cooking tasks with just the touch of a single button. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.